Alright, so here's my neighbor's 2015 Trane XR air conditioner. Alright, so here's my neighbor's 2015 Trane XR air conditioner running right now in the morning. And here's mine running too. It started up in the process of this thing turning on, so I might include the startup of that one. Anyways, here's it running. I just got it starting up. I'm going to do a proper startup and run this time, because back in March, that one wasn't really a proper one. 2015 2.5 ton, that probably all cold sweaty. Ugh. It's a Gentech motor, 2, and probably has an Alliance scroll compressor, for me to believe. There it is from the front, and there it is from the top. Up there. Alright. I guess over and out.